whether your project is successful or not. And I need to reassess the, I think, like some of the metrics. So basically there are four metrics. The first one is the content, the audience, the channel, and there's like this one thing, right? And basically, yeah, I need to reassess to basically possible the to yeah to deliver the best, how do I say, not information, but like, yeah, to carry out this project perfectly lah. That's how it is. So yeah, I think that's that. I think that's all. Yeah, I really have no updates. So yep.
Mm, okay. How about your documentation? Maybe you want to say it more from you, Evelyn.
The documentation. Oh, do you mean the documentation for newspaper or your thing?
Yes, both actually.
Oh, okay. Well, for the newspaper, I think it's done. I've conducted a meeting with Kak Lilis as well to discuss like the layout, the information given, etc., etc. And yeah, I've altered the alter the adjustment accordingly, I would say. And then documentation, it's done for you. And yeah, I think that's all. Oh, actually, there's this one plan that I wanna do, a documentation for raising awareness in Facebook, basically on how to post, etc. But I just haven't created my card on it. And yeah, I'll create one after we finish this meeting. So I think that will be all for me, from me. Sorry. Yes. Back to you, Kevin.
Okay. Thank you, Evelyn. Anyone have questions or something to ask to Evelyn?
Mm, Evelyn, actually, I want to give you a suggestion. Yesterday we have meeting, right? So I'm expecting that you write down the notes here, like here. I mean here, not in your notes. So
Yeah.
you can see what is actually our evaluation previously and what you have been done. I think you can take a note here
All
for this.
right. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, that's and the deadline is actually April 23rd. That's the deadline for the distribution, right? So
Yes, man.
yes, we have to stick to that deadline. It is 2 days again. So at least tomorrow you have the second revision of the newspaper. And
Yes, man.
then the name itself. Which one would you like to use for the final? Like, is it
Ah.
newspaper or monthly recap?
I actually haven't asked that to Mr. Jing because Mr. Jing and Wayana didn't really commented on the infographic itself. It's not an infographic. I mean, to the PNG itself, they didn't really comment on like what's inside, but they gave me more comment about like the technical stuff. Like how you choose selecting like your audience, how you deliver the like the best channel, etc., etc. So yeah.
Okay. Do you think they give you the answer that you want?
They told me to watch this video. Basically, it's about persuading people with words, and yeah, I guess I have a homework to watch. Yeah.
Okay.
So
So basically, your audience is clear here. Your audience is the property owner. I mean,
yes,
when you already have the answer to what they actually guiding you, you have to explain. Okay, sir, I know my audience, the property partner.
yes, yes,
Then I know the channel that I would like to use, community. Itu
yeah,
misalnya. You need to
yes.
explain your understanding.
Kalilis, they do ask me, right? So like I already told them, okay, so the
Huh?
target is definitely the partner, and then from the channel, like how we are gonna deliver this message to them.
Okay.
I already told Mr. Jing and Oyana, oh, okay, so I think it's either from PD or the community. And then he asked me, okay, from which platform are you going to choose? And I was thinking, maybe email. And he asked me further. So basically, how are you gonna measure how if they already read your email, or is there any option, and then like he gave me like one of the suggestion is to like create like a private web, and then you share the link, and then like make a small buttons, like if people understand, a thumbs up or something like that, so like we could reassess how this project, how do I say, like how this newspaper is useful or not.
Mm.
Yeah, but I do
Basically,
tell
the
him.
impact measurement, right? Not
Yeah,
the. Okay.
I already told him also about the community feedback. Like basically our hypothesis is, if the number of complaint reduces in the upcoming
Mhm.
community feedback, then I think we are successful. But yeah, I guess we need to like add more stuff just to reassess the impact. Yes.
So basically, your apa namanya task, another task, except the revising the newspaper, is actually preparation for the messaging and etc. and etc. and also the impact measurement.
Yes.
Yep. Okay, then I think it should be done by tomorrow, right?
Yes, it just I was thinking, like let's say if I do wanna create those small button, like
Huh?
I don't, yeah, I don't think,
No.
like
Yeah.
I don't know how to do it,
I
like
don't
how.
think you have to I mean follow that button. Like if you can't do that first, you can do MVP first. Like you send it to 10 partner, for example, but you try to create your own measurement metrics. Not necessarily using that button, but try to innovate around that.
Yes, yes,
Like for
I'll try.
example, um, what is the response? Is there any questions after we send this newspaper? Is there any like, wow, this is really good. We know what Bukit Vista do, something like that. You can translate that apa abstracting into something that measurable.
Y-
Misalnya gitu, misal.
Yeah, but yeah, that's the thing, Kevin. I don't think we could provide a command section because these infographics are gonna be shared privately. So like this data is not for public consumptions. Yes. Yes, PDT maybe have like some kind of answers to this, maybe they could, I don't know, hit some kind of small button, or there's like, is it possible for us to see like did they open the messages or not?
Yep.
Okay, how do we do that?
I will tell that in my update later.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I think you need to come to community discussion tomorrow, Evelyn, and bring these
Okay.
topics. So they understand more about partner behavior than us. So they will have more visibility, I guess. How about
All
that?
right. Yeah, can. I think it
It
is
is
possible.
1 p.m. tomorrow. Yeah. Check my
Okay.
calendar. Yeah. Check my
Yes,
calendar.
yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Will do.
okay. Thank you, Evelyn. Back to Kevin.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Before I give it to Flor again, I just curious. Evelyn, can you give me examples like what? You said that if the complaints are reduced, then we can consider it to be like more success, right? So, what are types of complaints that before like?
All right. I'm glad you asked, Kevin. Okay, so remember our discussion like back from 3 weeks ago? I bring this feedback from community, and I've created a bar chart like showing the percentage of complaint that we have. It is not actually a complaint, it's more into, they were saying that, oh, we need more revenue, like Bukit Vista, please generate more revenue. Like, yes, we understand, like, and we are trying our best to generate more revenue, but I guess the idea of this newspaper is just to give them more visibility on what we are doing. So, like, maybe there will be less complaint in regards to what we've done, because they don't have visibility before, right? Like they don't know what we are doing. Are we promoting their villas, or like what exactly are we doing? So yeah, that's it.
Oh yeah, I see. Okay, that's good enough for me. Maybe anyone else want to say something or ask question to Evelyn? Okay, if no, okay, I will not switch my screen again because it takes time. I will just spin it by myself. Maybe let's see. Uh, 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 uh. Okay. Wait. Okay, Kalilis. Floor is yours.
Okay, thank you, Kevin. So from my side, actually, I only get like a bit apa namanya progression and BI since actually mostly on the user funnel and also community. For my first card, it's actually about BV stickers where I invite Errol to comment also there. It's related to the initiation of creating BV stickers in Instagram. First of all, VD, can you clarify what is the I mean the purpose of making the stickers in HAR?
The sticker. So the sticker is used to increase the engagement between HR and all guests, with the hope of it will actually also increase the review conversion rate because there are more engagement.
Engagement means they are communicating through Instagram. Then, if they make the Instagram stickers.
Yes. So in this case, because there is something that the guests can actually use to post on their story, and if it's like apa kalau misalnya atau si logic anak-anak Instagram mungkin kalau stikernya lucu kayak bakal di post story gitu loh. Gue nggak main Instagram juga, cuman kalau menurut anak-anak yang main Instagram sih gitu idenya.
Yeah, but that's actually like as what Errol asking. What is the reason why they should do it like using that?
Uh,
Dan juga channel of communication is actually in WhatsApp, right? So then we have to go back to Instagram to ask them to use that basically. Do you think this is relevant to inspire the light? I guess.
to inspire the light, um,
That's yes, but
that's yes, but I
yeah,
don't know
that's
whether it's
yes.
effective or not, right? That's why
Yeah.
I asked Ashasha to do a discussion with BI. Uh,
Actually, discussion still ongoing, but
yeah,
from a perspective, I mean, I read the card in HAR, and the KPI has actually increased the booking conversion. So it's not directly relevant, but yes, in the engagement part, if they actually do it in Instagram. But for the stickers in WhatsApp, I would agree. It is more inspiring the lights since the communication is more frequent in IG. But for Instagram, I guess more guess is directed to websites. Eh, WhatsApp, sorry. So, do we really need to optimize the IG stickers?
wait, let me check. Was this SLA about the booking conversion?
Um, in the BV Instagram sticker, it's not SLA, but it's KPI
Yeah,
of the
the
card
KPI is
itself.
yep.
Yeah, increasing. Wait,
Yep.
increasing
It's
request
pertaining
to book.
to review, like because Instagram story posts are considered to be review, right? And then it might
Okay.
be a referral because if there are some cases in the past where the guest review does not include any Bukit Vista tag or any Bukit Vista mentions, and there is no backlink. But if you use a sticker, that might increase the chance of booking. But yeah, it's actually a bit dubious regarding the method itself.
Yeah, I mean, I'm suggesting to optimize more where we frequently
Communicate,
communicate with the
just
guests.
like WhatsApp.
Something like WhatsApp, ya.
Uh,
Gitu. Jadi mungkin more innovation on the WhatsApp stickers
right.
to improve engagement. Yep, that's that. But it is still ongoing. Let's try to explore more. And then my second card is examining the travel local listing. We already have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 9 listing, and 2 is ongoing. But the revenue, potential revenue is actually only 12 million, around 12.5 million, and there is 11 cancellation from 24 new bookings. So I guess first is related to the robustness of the booking. It is really low compared to the other. I mean, apa cancellationnya high kan? And then karena apa? Because somehow dulu kita allow pay at the hotel ya, Vidi ya dulu, but we already turned it off right now. And then another friction mentioned by Andre itu adalah integration between the calendar karena Traveloka cannot be integrated with Talkit. So I think from this data, it's not the most prioritized platform to be optimized. I still try to evaluate Agoda, but I haven't do it yet. So what do you think, guys? If we we just make a listing in Traveloka if there is request from the partner. So it's like inspiring delight our partner by fulfilling the request only, but not really optimizing the platform. Since the revenue generation is also low and also the cancellation is really high and the frictions for the integration is also difficult. So what do you think about that,
Um,
guys?
Kalilis,
Yes.
I think it is totally okay to kayak expand our OTAs to Traveloka. Tapi no, not expanding. I'm so sorry. So I think it is okay to upload like a specific type of property yang based on owner request to Traveloka. In a sense, during those period, I think we could reassess gitu loh Kak, kayak whether Traveloka actually generating more revenue or not. Terus I believe as time pass by, let's say there's a lot of property owner that asked to be posted in Traveloka. In a sense, ya at the end we could try to optimize Traveloka juga gitu loh. Jadi kayak dari kecil dulu propertinya, and then it keep increasing.
Okay. Actually, what optimize means is we really putting our bandwidth to apa kayak looking for opportunities in Traveloka gitu. Jadi kayak booking.com we try to figure out what is the opportunity next. Okay, this discount, something like that. It means optimizing. Like it takes our bandwidth basically. Kalau misalnya cuma bikin listing and we don't really taking care of the progression, it's not optimizing. So, Evelyn, are you trying to propose to optimize the Traveloka?
No. At our current rate, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not proposing to optimize Traveloka. I'm just saying, kayak as time pass by nanti, let's say
Mm-hmm.
maybe 1 year from now, there's a lot of our property yang kita taruh di Traveloka, and it seems that, I think Traveloka gave us a pretty good, apa ya, prospect. Then
Mm-hmm.
I think maybe we could start expanding at those time. But for now, yeah, we just fulfill the owner request lah.
I see. Okay, so then you agree with that, yeah? Uh,
Mm-mm.
that's from Evelyn. Anybody wants to give the opinion? Yeah, Corder.
Yep. For me myself, yeah, travel is a bit difficult. Even though our target is Indonesian ya, kalau misalnya menurut
Yeah.
detailsnya ya, apa ya? Kayak padahal kalau di compare ke marketnya mungkin potentially it can be it's possible to optimize, but because of the integration issue, it's very difficult to maintain the rates. That's why we have to maintain set the rates manually and so on and so forth. Jadi limiting juga in a sense. Makanya mungkin menurut gua setuju sih kalau misalnya yang penting kalau misalnya ada partner mau kita pasang, tapi kita juga tetap ada orang yang in charge buat manage, terutama di revenue-nya sama HR. Kalau sekarang HR-nya Andre, RM-nya Aing.
Yeah, Rami, you can. But I mean, what things that you can do for optimize Traveloka? Have you looked for that? I mean, you are proposing to optimize Traveloka.
Enggak, cuman kayak di-manage aja yang penting, kayak jangan sampai miss.
Manage itu maksudnya apa?
Manage means
Pricing?
like if there is yeah, pricing one, and then like if there are reservation, just make sure it doesn't overbook, it's not overbook,
Oh, yeah,
gitu-gitu.
yeah.
Ya, not
That's
optimize,
operational.
manage.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's operational things, but not innovating around the channel maksudnya kan. Maksudnya around the OTA maksudnya.
Iya, dan kalau misalnya like technically it's very possible to integrate Traveloka to Tokyo. That's one thing. But yeah, depends actually. Do we have like pas lu investigate lu internal data atau external data
Ini
yang buat Traveloka?
internal data.
Internal data ya. But in the kan in market validation itu kayak ada konsep yang kayak TAM, SAM, SOM gitu-gitu ya. Kayak addressable marketnya itu sebenarnya Traveloka gede nggak sih dibanding Airbnb di Indonesia? Ada datanya nggak sih?
Nah, itu belum gue cari bener sih. Ya, itu belum dicari, belum gue cari.
Hmm.
Cuman Traveloka is actually more popular with hotel. If the general view-nya buat Traveloka
Mhm.
kan. Kalau villa dan lain sebagainya itu more to Agoda and Booking.com if
Mhm.
I'm not mistaken. So yes, I think so. You're proposing
Uh,
to
so we look at
me
external data.
external data. Okay, okay, okay. Then I'll try to try. Okay, then thank you. Back to Kevin. I only have the updates for that two cards.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Kalilis, for your updates. Just what is it? Um, okay lah. Let's move aja lah. Let's move. I will spin the wheel again. Sorry, I will not share my screen because it takes time to switch the screen. Let me see. It's Errol. Errol, floor is yours.
Thank you, Kevin. Okay, for my card is still the same as last week. The finance intern onboarding materials. It's almost finished. Only one left. And yesterday I did a general meeting discussion with Arfi and the other interns, Lubna and Sarah. Um, for the company revenue projection, is it's done. I haven't uh, put that card into the done section. And for the last one, I think I am involved in the accounting automation card in Angie's card. So I assisted David, Kak Bayu, and Angie in completing the accounting automation using Zero to produce a financial statement, the profit and loss statement for March 2021. And yeah, although it's done for these statement and loss, we still have an action plan to build a statement of financial position and enhance several aspects for the uh, financial statements itself, like the comment that Angie said that we need to make documentation regarding the sales meaning for zero because based on yesterday's discussion, there are uh, different meanings for same istilah in Bukit Vista. Like for example, revenue for accounting and revenue for BI. Uh, like the basis of it are different. So we need to reevaluate that again with Kak Bayo and Kak David. For me, that's it.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Khairul. Maybe giving floor to the others first. Anyone have questions or something to ask? Yeah, Kavidi, you're raising your hands.
Yep, good question. Okay, so you're now
Yep.
doing the company revenue projection, yeah? Lubna and Errol, yeah? Okay, what's the number that you got for April, yeah? April 2021, yeah? What number did you get for and decide on for 2021 of April? April
Di
2021.
RMST sama MAPE, Kak.
The number, the revenue,
Oh, the revenue. So
40,000 something.
for 40,000, which one?
In the done part, PD, it's like $40,000
Yeah.
in the done part.
In the done part.
In the done list,
Oh, in the
udah
done list. Okay,
Transaction.
Card.
duplicate card ya,
ya,
yang ada di
ya.
Errol ya. Oke, oke. Jadi gampang nggak dipakai ya?
gampang Kak, gampang.
Apa
Kayaknya
itu?
apa
Gampang,
panduannya
Kak.
ini kok.
Cuman aksesnya kemarin itu.
Oh, alah aksesnya. Iya, kemarin lupa
Iya.
dikasih akses ya. Tapi pemakaiannya gampang ya. Oke, thank you very much. Jangan ngomong kayak gitu cuma buat menyenangkan hati saya ya. Berarti saya suruh Anda buat company revenue projection bulan depan. Hah?
Bener, Kak.
Oke, bener ya. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Kevin, may I?
Yep, yep. Release.
Okay. First
Uh,
up, you can Errol ya, Errol card ya. What is Errol? So the accounting automation, is that done already, Errol?
Yes.
Do you need to like? I think this just started, right? NG sama tim subscribe, and then we still need to evaluate. Do you think we need to make a new card for the evaluation of this project?
For now, I don't think so because the things that we need to evaluate are uh, few or sedikit. Jadi kayak
Yet.
for now, I think it's not needed. But maybe in the future, I will try to reconsider if we need a new card to
Mm.
just specifically evaluate the frictions.
Okay. I think because the payment for partner is actually after 5th of the month ya, Vidya kalau nggak salah. 5th, no, I mean on the 5th of the month, tanggal 5 di setiap bulan.
Payment part.
Payment for partner like dari Airbnb.
Oh, enggak. Kalau Airbnb itu
Auto pay.
kita check in atau enggak auto pay. Kalau misalnya untuk booking.com tanggal 15 dari setiap bulan. Tapi kalau misalnya direct booking 1 hari setelah check in juga.
So nggak ada bulanan lagi ya sekarang ya?
Enggak bulanan. Kalau misalnya
Nggak ada
SLP-nya
bulanan.
setahu gue gitu. Nanti mungkin bisa confirm David, tapi setahu
Oh.
gue sistem finance-nya yang tiap bulanan itu cuma booking.com.
Cuma booking.com. Okay, so the result from this card adalah P&L statement. Pertama, kedua adalah automation daripada apa? Payment automation itu mah udah dari ini ya, dari Airbnb ataupun dari so what is the output that we can use to evaluate the system error from the accounting automation?
The output that we evaluate. I think like did we enter the correct invoices or bills regarding the revenue and expense? Because based on my meeting yesterday with Kak David, NG, and Kabayu, there are some steps that are wrong, like errors. So the amount, our net income amount, are affected by that errors.
Okay, so then the card later on will be needed for the April evaluation, for example, buat P&L-nya gitu ya. Okay, then that's I want to basically make sure that the project itu ada evaluation-nya, so we can decide later on apakah tuh subscribe lagi apa enggak seronya, something like that. Yeah. That's that. Kemudian, what is my other questions? Yeah. Are you now helping David for the apa operation?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know when David had the apa namanya? This is defense
Today.
today.
Eh, yeah.
We
Apa?
should support David, guys.
Uh,
David tuh nggak bilang kapan mau this is defense. Dia cuma bilang mau delegasiin BC.
Dia kayaknya bilang ke gue cuma pas pairing, tapi entah apa gue kayak lupa gitu.
Lu lupa, astaga.
Tapi gue inget dia bilang kayak eh, minggu-minggu ini apa gimana gitu. Pas gue terakhir
Oke,
ngobrol sama dia.
oke. Ya udah, kalau gitu nanti kalau ada yang sidang bilang-bilang aja ya. Si David nggak bilang soalnya, so I don't really know about that. Okay, that's that for Errol. Back to chair again. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. For the questions, maybe others have any questions or something to ask to Carol? If no, I just want to ask something to finance. Yeah, maybe not just Errol. Maybe Errol, you can maybe answer my question. Have you guys in finance things about using Mitrons payment gateway?
um, I think not Kevin. I just heard that right now from you.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Maybe Kak Vidi, kita pernah nggak sih kayak we are thinking about using Mitrons or something?
Pernah di-consider sama Kak Bayu dulu mau pakai BCA BCA API dan juga pernah ada consideration, tapi masalahnya pertama accounting system kita dulu kita benerin. Baru nanti kita lepasin semua auto pay-nya baru kita pakai Mitrans payment gateway.
I
Tapi
see.
itu masih di product development ngikutnya.
I see. I see. I see. Alright. Alright. Okay. Thank you, Kak Vidi, and for the answer. Okay. Let's. Okay. I just mute my mic. Yeah. Okay. It just spin the wheel. Now it's Kak Lubna. This for the voice is yours.
I think Lubna
Yeah.
froze. So you move to the next person while
Okay.
waiting.
Let's spin the wheel
Okay,
again.
thank you, Kevin.
Oh,
Hello?
all right. Okay, Lubna, can you hear my voice?
Hello? Hello? Oh, hello?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So, hello? Udah kan? Oke.
You're very lagging actually.
Udah jelas belum?
Okay, let's try again. Hello.
Halo?
Okay. Okay,
Halo?
I can hear your voice.
Udah jelas?
Yep.
Udah
Okay.
jelas?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
Please.
Okay, so for my update on my first card is I have finished all my intern onboarding materials. And then for HR request, it is like evaluating campaign structure. I also have done that. And then for my project, which is research on e-commerce to sell rental voucher, I already make a Tokopedia account, and then I also have like look at the price range that those e-commerce would. I mean, I compared Shopee and Tokped, and the price range is about 500K until 2 million for the villa, and then I actually look for the commission structure, and I still cannot find that. But I only have like if we change our account to Power Merchant, like we have some kind of advantages from it, and like we have to pay like 1% for the biaya layanan and like the gratis ongkir feature also. But if we are like just a regular merchant, we just have very limited feature from Talkpad. And yeah, I'm still working on this.
Yeah. Okay. Kalopna, thank you for the updates.
Okay, that was it from me. Thank you, Kevin. Back to you.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, your voice is are very lagging, but mostly I can hear it. Okay, maybe offering the floors first. Anyone have questions to ask or something to tell to Kalupna?
Jadi dulu.
Let's do.
Kayak kali dulu deh.
Okay, so actually my questions, you've completed the step to choose which e-commerce yang kamu mau pakai kan? So which e-commerce you would like to try
Yes.
first?
I choose Tokopedia because from the administration, like biaya adminnya itu lebih rendah di Tokped gitu, dan there was some problem also from Shopee, and I'm afraid that a lot of people be like have negative perspective about Shopee, so I'm trying the Tokped for safe, and that was my consideration actually.
Okay, so you choose Tokopedia, and why did you search for the price in Shopee?
That was just for like comparison, like price
Wow.
range gitu. Jadi I also input the Tokped one.
Okay. You mentioned about admin fee, but what is the difference with the commission structure of the e-commerce with the admin fee? Is it different?
That's the thing. I haven't found it. So I was actually thinking like kalau adminnya tinggi gitu gimana, dan bakal kepotong berapa buat masukannya gitu. Dan for Tokped I haven't found that information yet. So I will look for it.
Okay. I think that's all from me. Thank you, Lubna.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah.
Kalilis.
Okay, Kak Fidi.
Okay, but you've tried finding the ini ya, finding the percentage ya, maksudnya the commission rate ya,
Iya.
tapi nggak ketemu gitu.
Iya. Nggak ketemu.
Oke.
Wait, sorry. Kak Vidi dulu. Go ahead, sorry.
Yuk, sabar kalian.
Ya,
Kak Fidi.
ya udah, mungkin kalau misalnya masih nggak ketemu mungkin harus dibantu atau gimana gitu.
Kayaknya Evelyn pernah nyebut deh.
Iya, karena setahu gue nggak terlalu susah juga sih nyarinya harusnya. Teman gue di bawah jualan Tokped.
I was about to say ini aku jadi begini, dulu tuh aku ada toko di Shopee, so like I'm trying to check. Yeah.
Okay.
Oke, tapi pertanyaan mungkin nextnya kalau misalnya let's say udah didetermine nih, kira-kira next stepnya udah tahu belum mau ngapain? Kalau misalnya dan itu acceptable-nya itu seberapa persen?
Acceptable
Acceptable commission rate-nya berapa?
dalam hal apa maksudnya, Kak?
Apa kalau misalnya di bawah segini commission rate-nya nanti menurut Lubna udah oke gitu?
We'll try gitu lah.
Ya, we'll try.
Kalau 50%.
Oke. Kayaknya komisinya nggak sampai 50 gitu deh, Kak. Kayak
Maksudnya
Ya,
mungkin
itu contoh.
atasnya gitu. Oh, I
Oke,
found that.
ya, Kak.
I found.
Yes.
Kayaknya di bawah 10% sih, Kak, yang penting. Yang jelas.
Wow.
Di bawah
Mungkin
10%?
maksimal 5 mungkin. Maksimal 5% mungkin.
5%?
Iya, mungkin.
Are you
Ada
sure?
mungkin itu lebih tinggi dari situ deh. Kayaknya setahu gue kayak Gojek itu kemarin teman gue bilang 20%. Tokopedia, gue bisa nanya sih, tapi nanti aja lah. Nanti gue tanya. Tapi
Ini udah nemu katanya. I found.
Iya.
Gitu.
Yuk, Evelyn.
Untuk Shopee. Jadi there's this so-called thing called biaya penanganan. Itu biaya yang pertama. Ya gitulah. Terus biaya penanganan ini tergantung dari the method of payment that you coba gitu loh, yang lo pakai. Kayak kalau debit 0%, Alfamart 2,5%, Shopee Pay Later 1%, Aku Laku 1,5%, COD 2% untuk pembeli biasa, 9% untuk dropshipper. Jadi kayak yes, I'll try to attach deh ke kartnya Lupna ya.
Boleh.
Yes.
Oke. Evelyn, tapi itu kalau buat barang sama kayak voucher gitu beda nggak sih? Sebenarnya aku juga udah tanya sih sama temenku, dia punya Shopee gitu kan, dan dia kayak udah star seller gitu, dan katanya rate-nya tuh emang beda-beda gitu.
Oh, oke. Kalau dari perbedaan barang sendiri ya, especially voucher, I don't think beda deh, because when we expand ke Shopee, kita kan bukan kayak sell voucher yang as in, okay, so back then I've buy a ticket concert from, no, not ticket concert, I think a ticket for like some kind of convention lah ya, dari Shopee. And itu tuh apa ya, if I'm not mistaken tuh programnya tuh beda kayak dari penjual-penjual normal gitu loh, kayak tampilannya beda, prosesinya beda. Meanwhile kalau penjual biasa tuh kita pesen, terus nanti mereka kayak, oh ya nih dikirim, habis itu baru di mark as done kan. Tapi kalau misalnya yang ini nih, yang waktu itu, I don't know, maybe because it is official ya, dari kayak sebuah toko gitu, waktu itu if I'm not mistaken kerjasama sama ICC, Indonesia Comic Con. Jadi itu bener-bener kayak habis pesen voucher langsung dikirimin gitu. Jadi kita nggak perlu ngirim-ngirim barang. But I'm not so sure. Okay, I'll try to look it up deh nanti.
Iya.
Yes.
Yeah, I actually have checked that. Kayak I tried to buy, actually not to buy, but just like check out to make sure. And then itu ada voucher yang kayak ada ongkirnya dan ada yang enggak. Dan kayak I haven't found out like how things work gitu. Jadi kayak I think I will do trials or something on Tokopedia. I will try to upload something, I guess.
Short answer.
just to find out.
Tokopedia itu in general, gue barusan tanya teman gue, in general itu sebenarnya gratis. Tapi kalau pakai power merchant itu kena 1%. Kalau misalnya ada orang yang pakai gratis ongkir lo, itu kena 2,5%.
2,5.
Itu kalau misalnya orang pakai gratis ongkir.
Iya Kak. Iya aku nemu itu.
Nemu yang itu ya berarti ya?
Yeah, if you find a new,
Iya, aku udah nemu yang itu Kak, tapi itu nggak di
Nggak apa?
Nggak apa?
loh.
Iya, itu nggak apa? Sorry.
Kalau aku, ya, aku, oke,
Ya.
aku udah nemu yang power merchant itu Kak, yang kayak 1% layanan, terus ongkir gitu, tapi
betul.
nggak dikasih tahu biaya adminnya itu seberapa persen gitu.
Oh nggak, itu biaya admin ya? Oh ya, mungkin bisa di sub discussion kali ya. Nanti kalau misalnya ada teman-teman.
Ini aja.
Oh, yang 1% itu.
Iya. Kalau misalnya kata teman gue sih itu kena potongnya 1%. Tapi nanti,
Nah, can you try to attach the resource? As I said, if you have something that not clear, you can try to attach in your card and you tag someone to
cross check,
yeah,
review,
kayak gitu.
cross check.
So don't keep your
Oke,
question
I will.
only
Okay.
in your phone. Okay?
Oke. I will upload it after this.
Siap.
Yeah.
By the way,
Thank
By the
you.
way, teman-teman, just for fun fact ya, I think I was wrong. The one that I previously mentioned was biaya penanganan. Jadi after biaya penanganan ada biaya admin, and biaya admin itu per items. So if let's say this person buy 10 items, then di charge-nya per item. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, maybe Lukman and Evelyn and also Lilis and Kak Vidi, maybe maybe you want to have some discussion. This is actually a quite long discussion, and yeah, also Kalupna, please note that you maybe you want to attach something to your card, so to show us some visibility, just to make your cards more beautiful, Jadi gitulah. Okay, I think that's all, yeah. Maybe let's get into maybe Kak David. Should we?
Kayla,
David.
you forget Kayla.
Oh ya, Kak David belum Kak Kayla, karena di spinner sih. Di spinner
Oh,
kayaknya Kak David dulu.
let's skip David. David is not here.
Oke. Oke. Kak Kayla, floor is yours.
Yes, thank you, Kevin and Kavilis. For me, I think I'll start on my materials. I've checklisted four here, but I've read the pricing property document, but it says that there should be a task for me to set the pricing for the property, and I'm not sure who I should contact. I haven't asked Kavidi yet, so that's why I haven't checked it here. And I'm reading the BI documentation now. And like Errol said, we just completed the meeting with RV for, yes, I will ask Kavidi, for the general materials. Other than that, mostly I've been helping with the revenue projection, which, yes, I wanted to ask Lilisi for the Sharta Regency one. There's a difference between the information uh, about the number of bedrooms from Bigger and from the Trello card linked in from the community card, I think, yeah. It like on Bigger it says there's three bedrooms, but on the Trello card it said one bedroom. So I eventually went with the information on Bigger because when I asked Kevin, like most likely it should be the Bigger information that's correct, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm not
I'm
so
kind of
certain.
scared that's wrong. Yeah. Okay. So that's
Okay.
for the projection. Other than that, kalau buat yang Prama is still waiting for the owner to input the location data.
Oh,
Yeah, that's yes, yes, sorry.
yeah. Okay. Okay. Is that all?
For the last card, the community request for the visibility of data on Redash, itu juga lagi kemarin discuss with Kak Vidi on that. And we decided that so the community request was to add the property name on the reviews, and Kavidi and I decided that it should be put in Bigger because Bigger is where they see the review list and the names. But the capabilities to do that is mostly with Kavidi, so we decided that Kavidi would help me with that. So I think that's it from me.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Kak Kayla. Maybe Kailis, maybe you want to try to answer Kak Kayla question first.
That's related to revenue projection. Berapa bedroom gitu ya. So, I think Kyla, you can mention Wayana or Nadine. Not or, but both of them, I guess. Yeah, Vidi, silakan.
Just to confirm, kalau misalnya mention juga atau communicate dengan tim business development, please mention them on the link attached on the description ya. It will lead to the leads
Yeah.
contact board because any update that they will notice is on the leads contact board. If you don't have the access, let me know. I will give you the access. And then if
But
I can mention it.
for faster juga Slack juga bisa
Slack
Kyla,
juga
ya.
bisa betul. Tapi kalau misalnya update untuk selesai atau enggaknya,
Okay.
jangan lupa di
I'll
update.
message. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yes, I will later. Okay.
For now, where did you get the data for the property bedroom and so on so forth?
Sorry?
Biasanya ambilnya dari mana? Dari Bigger?
Dari Bigger.
Bigger dan di Bigger gak ada.
Ada cuma beda sama yang di Trello.
Oke,
Card.
double check aja untuk yang itu.
Okay.
Okay.
Here.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Maybe Kak Vidi want to try answer the last Kak Kayla question.
Oh ya, jadi untuk yang itu, the request itself from Sasha or from community team is visibility of data in Redash, right? In Redash, it's already available. Kayla, just to confirm, have you confirmed with Sasha like whether it's already available or not in Redash?
I communicate with Sasha yang I said
Bigger ya, jadi ya.
yeah, is it
But they
okay
already
if we put
mentioned
it
that
on
it's
Bigger?
available in Redash ya. So for now, kayak if they want to cross check, they can
I-
in Redash kan.
Oh yeah, they know that.
You know. Okay,
I
but then
don't know what is the apa namanya, apa yang diinginkan dari Kartini.
okay.
So,
Basically, the reviews that's available in Bigger right now is
mhm.
does not contain the property information. So they only see the review, is it good or bad, but they do not know which property is
Yes,
selected by the guest.
correct.
So
And
they ask for the data in Redash, kan?
ya, karena di
Yeah.
Rida sebenarnya di
Ya,
background, right?
ya, betul, dan lebih gampang dan lebih cepat, dan itu udah di provide. But according to our discussion, actually it will be more suited if we actually make this in Bigger, because in Bigger, they for negative reviews they can actually mark it resolve or not resolve.
Yes.
There's an operation activity within Bigger for community team, so it's wise to have the property name also in Bigger.
I see.
So you're proposing to improve bigger or improve the index?
Bigger. So for now, as a temporary placeholder, we already provide the data in Redash, but we will make it appear on Bigger.
Okay. Yeah, because it's really important for us
Yes.
since the apa namanya ratings for cleanliness is really low.
Yep.
Kita perlu tahu gitu ya.
Ya, properti yang mana kan?
Ya,
Dan actually, this is already in the domain of product development because
okay.
berhubungan dengan Bigger kan. But I will make it for BI.
So that's in the domain. So should we like apa abandon this card
No, no, no,
since
it's okay. For this one, I'm already in the middle of making it. I already adjusted the back end so that it provide the property name. I just have to configure the front end a little bit, and I'll have it pushed to developer. I'll ask Chris to push it to the production. But after I'm done with the feature branch, I will push it to the GitHub to GitHub.
yeah, I mean
Tomorrow,
it is
yeah.
it
Yeah.
is done by PD, right? It's not done by BI.
For this one, BI.
Okay.
Yeah, BI me.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I will fight for BI. Yeah.
The fight for BI here. Yeah. Okay, Kak Vidi, thank you for the answer. Is that answering your question, Kak Kayla?
Ya, Kak Vidi really nambahin. Aku tadi ngejelasinnya kurang, so thank you Kak Vidi.
Okay.
Okay. For Kalila's answer, fair enough.
Enough,
Uh,
enough.
to Kak Kayla, yeah, enough, yeah. Okay. Maybe offering to floors. If you have any questions or something to tell to Kak Kayla. Yeah. If no, I think I wanted to ask a little bit for your visibility of data on the dash. So you will just manipulate. Sorry, if you your previous plan, if you're still in Redash, you will edit the query, right?
Yeah, I wanted to
Yes.
add to the review data. Yeah.
Okay, so now you're moving to bigger. Okay, I think. Okay. I think that's all. If there's no more question or something to tell to Kak Kayla, maybe actually I forgot to offering to floors to ask question or yeah to ask question to Kalilis list yeah Kalilis cards. Is there any questions for Kalilis cards? Something to tell?
All good.
No. If yeah okay no right. I think that's all for this BI Scrum. Okay guys, thank you for ah,
Ini.
Wait, aing siap. Okay.
sorry tadi kehapus ya di spinner wheel tuh
Oh,
kehapus ya sama
okay. Nggak apa-apa. Okay,
sorry
for
kosong
my
jadi ya.
update,
Bisa
actually,
spinner wheel.
I only have one update for this week, which is the a request by Casinthia from HR regarding the data visualization on the number of clicks to our job website from the email blasting we sent to BVTalk audience. This will not only be like for only exclusively for BVTalk audience, but the infrastructure for all emails that are sent to SendGrid. If you guys look at the screenshot, we're able to see the campaign name, for example, like whether it's open recruitment, whether it's if you guys notice, I actually sent an email to you guys last night. yesterday.
Yes,
Yes, which
I
is the
think we did.
Villa Finder freelancer to employee, which is a test email that I checked, and then this is the view of the visualization itself. So it's there are 46 emails processed and 46 email delivered. 12 employee as of I don't know what time did I screenshot this. As of last night, I think 12 employee opened it and 7 employee clicked on the link on the email. So this is actually related to Evelyn's question regarding the partner, possibly regarding the part. How can we know that the partner actually reads the email and opens it? This can be one of the answer. Another option is to provide a URL to give like positive or negative review in the email
Thumbs
itself.
up or thumbs down.
Yeah, thumbs up or thumbs down. That's also very possible. For that one, you can ask me maybe. I don't know. Chris can do that maybe. I don't know, but Chris usually don't deal with SunGrid. For now, the one that deals with SunGrid is usually Kak Rizal, Kak Bayu, or me, I think. So this tool will actually enable HR to evaluate whether their campaign email is actually working or not, and then it can be continued to the Google Analytics so that HR have more visibility, data visibility on their side. So that's the only thing that I completed this week for BI. The rest will follow.
Okay, thank you, Kak Vidi. Anyone have? Actually, I lost my hotspot while Kak Vidi talking. Okay, but okay. I think I understand most of your parts, Kak Vidi. Maybe offering the floors. If there anyone have questions or something to tell Kak Vidi. Maybe Kalilis, you know, you're the client partner. You have questions to Kak Vidi.
Actually, I don't have questions for that. No, I don't have
Okay.
questions for Fidi. I know things that Fidi do, but I don't know many things that Fidi do. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Is you guys nothing to ask? If there's no questions anymore, okay, ini sudah semua kan ya. Sorry ya bro, tadi lupa bro. Tadi pas ngapus nama Kayla itu
Oh
namanya
yeah,
kehapus
santai,
juga.
santai, 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 santai. All good.
Oke oke oke.
Thanks, thanks.
Just try
So
to new things ya. Ya
yeah.
Kailis.
So the meeting is already finished, yeah. Kevin,
Yep.
yeah.